Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Lubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Lubuntu official website. It is lubuntu.me. Then click on downloads. See here we have the 25.10. Scroll down. Then click on desktop 64-bit. See, download started. See here its size is about 3.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here, I have already downloaded Lubuntu 25.10 desktop ISO image. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems, then search for my YouTube channel how to install. Okay, so click on VirtualBox. Now click on new or machine and select new. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Name can be anything. Then see, this is the default folder to store this virtual machine files and folder. But if you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once you selected OS, change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu, OS versions Ubuntu 64-bit, and don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then specify hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, just click on start or right click and select start and start with GUI. Both are same. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Lubuntu. Hit enter. Now select the language and internet connection, and see here we have the try Lubuntu or install Lubuntu. Try Lubuntu is for live environment, but install Lubuntu is permanent. So click on install Lubuntu. Then we have to select the language. See, Lubuntu 25.10 pasting Fuka. Okay, then select the language from this list. I am going with American English. Then click on next. Now select the region or time zone. You can select on the globe, or you can select region and zone from this drop down lists. Okay, I am going with the defaults, so click on next. Keyboard model, I am going with the defaults. Click on next. Now see here installation modes: full installation, normal installation and minimal installation. If you select full installation, then we will be able to, it will select all these features. But if you select normal installation, optionally we can select any one of them. But if you want minimal installation, those will be gone. I am going with the normal installation, and additional options: download and install updates following installation. If you want, you can select these. These are up to you based on your requirement. Then click on next. This is a fresh installation. I am going to select erase disk. Then see here we have no swap or swap to file and these extensions. Okay, I am going with the default, so click on next. Now create or set up user. I am giving username, user full name as R2 schools. This is the username. Then this is the computer name or host name. Later also we can change it. Now provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then if you have Active Directory, select the checkbox. If you don't want, unselect it. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the virtual machine. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Lubuntu has been installed on your computer. Select the checkbox that is restart now, then click on done. See here, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on it, then remove disk from virtual drive. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter to restart Lubuntu 25.10 virtual machine. Now provide the password of this user. Open terminal. Mark /etc OS-release. See, we have installed 25.10 and its code name is questing. Okay, Control A. The first step after connecting to Lubuntu is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully updated. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Lubuntu 25.10 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.